Aliexpress to eBay dropshipping tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can dropship certain many items from Aliexpress over onto eBay or from eBay to Aliexpress, whatever it works. So it's really simple, so let's get started. So first things first, I'm on Aliexpress over here, and over here what you're going to need to do is you're going to search for a product that you want. And remember, the product that you want to sell should have a decent amount of views, should have a decent amount of reviews, so that we know that the seller who is actually shipping the product is a good and trusted seller, and that people won't get scammed, so that we can rely on his credibility. So we have to make sure that he sells his product really well, no scams or anything like that. And we also have to make sure that the product that we are actually trying to sell are also really popular. Let's get down into it. So one of the most popular things in my opinion would be women's clothes or women's fashion, or because of jewelry and stuff like that, because women and girls and women, they tend to do a lot of online shopping, and because of that it really works well. And eBay and AliExpress are one of the top markets out there, so it's really good that we head first into the women's category over here. So we come over here into women's shop fashion over here. I'm gonna click over here, try to see over here. All right, so we have a bunch of different clothes over here. So what we can do is maybe you can find a certain type of clothing that is really popular and that is also selling quite a bit. So over here we have best matches. We don't want best matches, we want orders. So most orders, right? And we would also want free shipping as well, and up to 4-star. So these are some of the criteria that we want, and these are the ones that we are left with. So which means that these are really good. So over here, as you can see, this shirt or whatever it is, it has sold over 7,000 times and has a good amount of reviews, and is also pretty cheap as well. That means that we can sell it online as well. Same goes with this coat, same goes with this long sleeve t-shirt and stuff like that. So now what we can do is to actually sell these types of clothes. Let's go ahead and open this up actually. So over here, these are all the images. So what we can do is maybe we can go ahead and copy these images and also the name as well. So looks pretty cool. So what we can do is we can go ahead and save image. Okay, the image can't be saved. All right, so over here we have the images. What we can do is we can go ahead and save the images, but these images are in a different format, so we can't actually save them. So what we'll do is we'll just open up our snipping tool, and we'll just cut the image over here. Boom, there we go. Then we just simply save as, and we save the image. We'll just say shirt over here. Same goes with this image as well, or with a better lighting, I would say. Okay, this one has a better lighting. Okay, so this would look good. So let's go ahead and actually snipe this one as well. Open this up, new, snip, save as, shirt 2, just basic stuff. All right, we just need to get some of these shirts. All right, so we'll get this one as well. I think looks good. Again, open up the snipping tool, new, and then we'll just simply cut this shirt. We'll save the image, save as, shirt 3, I would call it. Boom, there we go. Now that that's done, maybe we can actually get some more stuff like this one as well, but for now we are good to go. So now what we can do is over here we also have some measurement and stuff like that, but we are now good to go. So what we can do is we can go ahead and copy this title, maybe that like that, and then on AliExpress and then on eBay, what we can do is we can register ourselves as a seller, right? So we want to sell. You can create an account, but it's a pretty long process, so I'm just simply gonna not go ahead and do that actually. Or maybe I already have created an account, so let me just go ahead and see. So let me just go ahead and sign in actually. All right, so now I'm inside, I'm logged in, we are good to go. So let's go ahead and click on sell and sell this item. If we click on sell, we are basically gonna go ahead and upload that. So if you still don't know what we're trying to do here, let me just explain it to you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sell our item. We're gonna put all of the details of this item on eBay, right, on our profile, and then whenever someone places an order on eBay, they'll basically give us all of their shipping details, all of their addresses and stuff like that. We'll take that information and we'll put that information over here. We can ship it to their own country, any country we want over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different options, and then we just simply place the order, and boom, we are good to go. And then we'll notify them that their order has been placed and that the order should arrive in a 1 or 2 day. And if they chose to pay express delivery, we can even charge them for that, and then we can put that extra fee that we got from them and we can put it over here, and boom, there we go. So that's pretty much it. That's what we're trying to do here. And we can do this for a lot of different products. We don't have to do this for just this product. We could do this for this coat, this shirt. We can do this for these cargo pants, or these jackets, or this business shirt, or whatever. We can do it for anything we want. We can do it for a lot of other products. We don't have to just target women's clothing and stuff like that. Doesn't really matter. That's what we're trying to do here. So now that you know what we're trying to do, let's go ahead and continue. So all right, so let me just go ahead and sign in actually. So over here, let me just tell us what they're selling. So we just have to enter in the product name over here that we copied, right? We're gonna go with it. Start with this title: streetwear knitted tees. I didn't copy the entire name, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead. Okay, I can't make it's too long, so automatically updated. Women cotton hollow cutout, sexy t-shirt, bandage, backless long sleeve top, and we'll just, all right, there we go. That looks much better. Stand out with the bold title and search. This is gonna cost you like an extra $1, $2, and subtitle is gonna be anything you want over here. You can add it to different categories. This one belongs in the top ones, so we're gonna put them in the top category. And then over here we add in the UPC and conditions over here, and then we add in the photos. So let me just add in the photos over here. So the main photo should be this one. Then we can add another photo, we can add this one, and for the third one we'll add this one. So now it's loading the images, and once that's done, we are good to go. We can enter in the size. We can enter in, the regular size. Let me just copy that. So fits true to size. Take your normal size. So let me just go into the size info over here. So I really don't know. So over here it basically says that, but we still don't know. Okay, so in inches it's this, like this. So over here I would say let's go with medium. Yeah, let's go with that. And then we have the type. No, it's not a t-shirt, it's a top, so we'll just say it's a top. And then we can add the color. We can add like black. Boom, there we go. Department for women. And over here we'll just say, yeah, neckline is, it's basically, I would say, let me just take a look over here actually. Okay, I would say that that's a crew neck, right? Or a high neck. So we'll just say it's a high neck, yeah. Sleeves types are full sleeves, but they're very, I have no idea how many sleeves. I didn't know there were these many types of sleeves. Fitted sleeves. Okay, that looks good. We'll just leave that blank, all right? Cotton, sure. All of the other one looks good. Features, backless, yep. Breathable, yep. Collarless, no, there is a collar, so. And everything else looks good. Everything looks good. Then in the description we can add some more description of the product, like suitable for all hips, stuff like that. Is there any other description that they've added that we should know about? Not really, so I guess we're good to go. Over here maybe we can just copy and paste that actually. Paste that, boom, there we go. Everything looks good. And then over here we can add in the quantity. How many quantity does this have? I don't know. Kaylee Clothes Store. So over here, this is the person that's selling that. Then I guess we'll just put the quantity over here. Starting price should be over here. Let me see over here. So if we, with shipping, all right, it's 186. That's like $1. But with shipping, it's like 500. So that would be like $10. So let's go with $10 over here, or actually, maybe 15, and we'll just call it over here. And for the reserve price, let's say 15. All right, actually, or maybe, but everything once looks good, then we'll just simply list the item over here, and then we can go ahead and start doing it. All right, so of course a lot of things I forgot, so it's new with tags. Of course, a lot of things I forgot to add, but it looks pretty good. Let's go with 12, and then we just simply click on list item, and once that's done, we are good to go. And we also have this eBay standard envelope trading, or yeah, let's go with the standard one. All right, don't think it's that one, but then we just simply click on listing. how many things do I have to add? All right, there are too many things to add, but you get the point, right? Just add in all of this information and you're good to go. And whenever someone, places an order with their address and stuff like that, copy those things, copy those details, come over to the product that you are trying to sell, and then just simply click on buy now and add your details and address and stuff like that, and then just simply sell that product. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you sell different products online. So, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.